Oh, yeah. Boys, I have literally not stopped driving this F82 M4 since I've gotten it. I mean, I've probably put on at least 1,500 miles in the last, like, probably 2 days. Like, it was just under 300 miles to get back to the home. But then I've put on so much, because if I can say one thing to anybody that's looking for an M car, get the F82. One, it's so much more aggressive. The coupe honestly is not bad at all. I got the F80 because I was worried about convenience and like storage space and all, but truthfully, it's like maybe 5 cubic feet smaller than the F80 is, but like it's the exact same thing. One's a coupe, one's a 4-door. And the coupe, in my opinion, looks so much more aggressive and is so much better. But without further ado, I think enough chit-chatting. I'm gonna roll down this window so we can hear this thing a little bit more. And then, here we go, M2, press confirm. This thing is so nuts. So fun fact, I've been running the M4 everywhere without an actual plate. Indiana is very unrestricted, but now now it's got a temp tag. The only problem is I don't like how this frame is pushing outwards so much, but it could just be because this is a temp tag, it's a piece of paper rather than the actual license plate, but either way, whatever. The one thing bad about driving this thing as a daily, again, the N3 was the same way. I have a lot of great gas mileage, especially when I'm doing pulls, and this thing's also on methanol, which I'll get more in depth with that, get more in depth with the entire thing of how this thing is the best car to ever exist. Got some tunnels coming up. This is that. Oh yeah. No, it sucks I can't even push the car right now. I mean, it's literally just rain. Indiana is such a bipolar state that like we've had hot, cold, and recently it's been really hot, really humid. Like I'm sure you can even see like the storm clouds are way over there. So right now the tires in the rear are some really slicky Mickey ickies, and so you don't get grip in that. So a simple little tap of the accelerator, the sucker's not going anywhere. I will just slide. That sucks, but you play to win. You play to play. Can't play the game, beat them, join them, I don't know what it is, but this is a fun car. Woo! Oh yeah, another large tunnel, ready? Alright, we're driving 2 hours north. Just to go get a new spoiler, because the one on the back, I think it's a little too small. I think it's OEM. So now we're gonna go get it's one that's like by PSM, so it's like more an aggressive high kick one, but at least it's a nice day out, so we get to rip everything. I don't think any day in this world this car's ever gonna get old. Perfect amount of burbles. Oh, beauty. That CEL light's no longer just for the Lambda, dude. Minimum engine oil now. This car's driven consecutively, probably too long for it to really like not lose too much oil. Granted, it's BMW as well, so it's probably losing a lot of oil. How far was this AutoZone? How far was it?
Like 15 minutes.
Okay. So in Indiana, northern, it's just like nothing. 15 minutes, a whole lot of nothing. It's crazy. What's this up here? Got Circus? Strip club? Random warehouse? Factory says put work on it. Wow! Apartment building.
Civilization.
Yeah, civilization. Okay, so this thing also doesn't have hood struts apparently. Now we got oil, another quarter's in there. I'm hoping it's good. Let's make sure. Good grief, man. Where are we at? Oh. It's in the park, neutral. Good Lord, man. Okay, listen, I know we got another quart of oil in there, so that's all that matters. There's no struts. Those need to get ordered immediately. I've never seen a semi have a tire blowout. Oh, that's terrible. And we're gonna get away from that. This is something you don't see every day. It's an M6, an actual M6, not something that's like copied. Wow. That's actually fucking cool. Very family friendly, a bunch of universities, a bunch of hospitals even. Alright, I'm back home. It's always, for some reason, it is literally just always the drive to feels 10 times longer than the drive back. But this is the PSM High Kick F82 spoiler, and I cannot wait to put this thing on. It won't be tonight. Probably won't be even in this video. But this is a vlog to go get this thing.